Okay. I'm on my way out the door. Go here and there. Somewhere around 10:30 in the morning, something like that. And just a few minutes ago, the sun was shining. It happens like that quite a bit here. In the mornings, we get a lot of sun. And in the late evenings, we get a lot of sun. Usually the weather like this happens in the middle part of the day. Clouds up, rain, wind, and then as the sun, it's like sun comes up over there in the east, a lot of sun. Sun goes down over there in the west, a lot of sun. In the meantime, clouds and wind and rain. Not all the time, but a lot of the time in this part of the world. Yeah, here's my poor ice fort. What's left of it. I don't know if we're going to have a winter this year or not. Just between me and you, I don't care if we have one. So, we don't have one. Because that right there hardly qualifies as winter. Okay. Enough of my complaining. I'm going to leave you with a picture of our hanging lantern.